Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your Barker 007. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Cash App account on your devices, whichever device you're using, Android, iOS, it does not matter. It's the same process. So first things first, you need to have Cash App installed, and you can get that on the store. It's either the Google Play Store or the App Store. So once you have it installed, as you can see, Cash App is an app which allows you to send money, stocks, and Bitcoin. So let's go back. So let's launch Cash App and we'll create an account together. Okay, so first things first, it's asking for a phone number or email. So I'll input my phone number just to make it easier. Okay, so I'm going to do that just now. And click on next. Okay, so they're saying that this number can't be used to receive SMS. So let me use my email instead. And let's click on next. Okay, so they've sent a confirmation code to my email and I'll need to go and check for that code. Okay, so once you've confirmed your email or your phone number, whichever one, they'll ask you to confirm your country. So now I'll be selecting the United States. And then they're asking to link a bank using my debit card. I'm going to skip this step for now, and then I'm going to input my details here. So my name and so on. And remember, this has to be your legit information or else you won't be verified on your Cash App account. Okay, so we're supposed to choose a tag, which is a unique name to get paid by others. So for my tag, I'm going to select, let's say, if this is not available. Okay, so Hacker 007 YT. Let's click on next. And let me enter my zip code. Since I've selected United States, I'm going to need an American zip code, 32801. So click on next. And they're asking for my street and so on. So I'm going to input that just quick. And click on next again. Okay, so after I've passed that section, they're asking me to invite friends and get $15. I'm going to skip that for now, and once that is completed, as you can see, welcome to Cash App, and all of that was done without linking my debit card or bank account. So you could simply receive money on this account without linking any credit card. If you want to send money though, you would need to link your bank account to it. However, you could request and use this to basically, and as you can see here, we automatically received a routing number and an account number. So basically payments could be made to this account from other payment sources. So basically this is another way in which we could receive payment, and that is how you'd go about setting up a Cash App account. And you could also apply for a credit card which will be linked to your account and all of that. And as you can see, we have stocks which we could invest in, we have Bitcoin which we could buy, and all of that. So I hope this was informative and helpful to you guys, how to set up a Cash App account without any credit card and so on. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this tutorial was useful and informative. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Hacker 007 out.